They chose you. You took what rightfully belongs to me. The gods made a mistake. But today, I am going to take back my powers. I am going to end it all.
What is this? One minute, what is the meaning of this?
Mother, you returned.
Yes, I returned. I returned with peace. I returned back to my people, only to find my two daughters being at each other's neck. What have you become? I asked you to guide your sister, to be her protector, to be her shield. Rather, you became her enemy.
No, Mother. It's not my fault. They chose her. It's my right to rule. And you know it.
Right is not seized by force, my dear. You earn it through humanity, service and love. You have not only desecrated our sacred ways, but you have also brought darkness upon the kingdom. You sent talks to your people. Mary, why? There can be no forgiveness for the chaos and calamity you have sown. You must atone. The spirits of our ancestors demand a sacrifice to cleanse the spirit of darkness you have sown. And this you must do. This is a herbal leaf. This leaf can quench a raging fever. But when plucked with anger in your heart, it becomes poison. But remember, the earth is not a servant to our desire, but a partner to our intentions. Before you touch, you must seek its permission. Before you pluck, it is not in your power to touch it. The leaf, the forest, everything in it has its own spirit. For you to possess it, you must first earn its trust.
But Mama, if it's for sickness, why must we ask? We are the priestess' daughter and its guardian. Isn't that enough?
My daughter, the earth does not bow to title, but respect. Power is not given, it is earned through humanity. Ifufe, did you hear the leaf speak?
Yes, Mama.
What did he say?
Mama, the leaf said it is tired. And it needs rest until it is truly needed.
Good. Greetings, daughters of light.
Babandu, your call has been sent. The spiritual war approaches the land of the ancestors. The veil between the world is ticking.
I felt it right inside of me. If I may ask, what is the nature of this war?
A great darkness seems to unravel our spiritual trend that bans our world. Balance is threatening. Your lineage has been chosen to fight. The time of your ascension draws near.
The fate of our kingdom lies on your shoulders. You must be prepared.
All right, great ones. My children, I summoned you here because I want to tell you something that is of great importance. I have been summoned by the Great Spirit. There is a spiritual war and I've been chosen.
A war. Mama, you will fight great spirits. You will bring glory to our family.
My daughter, it is not a matter of glory. It is a matter of duty. But I want you both to understand that it is not certain I may return.
But Mama, you are the strongest. You will come back, won't you? You always win.
It is my wish to come back. But the ways of the gods are quite different from our ways. But I want you both to prepare your mind that I may be gone forever or a long time. Isi ngwe ekene m gị na-eke, kelee gị n'orie, kelee gị n'afọ, kelee gị na nkwọ. Na-ekelekwa gị maka ihe niile nke ị na-emere anyị. Ọbụnadị ọgụ ahụrụ anya na nke na-ahụghị anya ị na-alụrụ anyị. Mana arịọkwa gị sị gị biko nọrọkwala anyị n'ihu, nọrọ n'azụ.
The time is getting short, Babandu. The call is urgent. You must be ready.
Daughters of light, I am ready. Spirit, body, and soul. But my children, they are still very young. Who will guide them? Who will protect them in my absence? The Spirit knows I cannot abandon my people.
The kingdom cannot be left unprotected. one of your daughters must be chosen. She shall be the new priestess, the new guardian of the land.
They are still children. How can they wear such heavy crown? You and I know that it can crush an unprepared soul.
They will not be alone. The old deity, dressed as an old woman, will be their protector and guide. The old woman is their divine protector. She will guide them in our world and in the spirit realm. She will protect our new priestess until you return or all time.
It is okay. Daughters of light, if you are ready, I am ready.
Mama, did you just say the new priestess? It's me, of course. It must be me. I am the firstborn, the one who carries the blood of your lineage forward. Mama, I have been watching you and learning from you my whole life.
Listen to me, my child. The spirits do not choose based on who came into the world first. No. They choose based on the content of your heart. The purest heart will be the one to serve them. That is just the truth.
Did you hear that, Sinwa Mary? She said purest heart. What kind of talk is that? Everyone knows first daughter inherits the lineage. It is the natural order of things. You are the oldest, the strongest. The mantle belongs to you.
Urena, my friend. My mother said, it is the spirits that will decide. She said it's a matter of pure hearts.
Did I hear you say spirits? Or the mother's favorites? You and I know that she has always been soft with Ifufe. She sees her innocence and mistakes it for strength. And she sees your ambition and mistakes it for weakness. Do not let her words deceive you. It is your birthright. The mantle is your birthright. You have to take it. The spirit of the ancestors cannot deprive you of what is already yours by blood. Except you want to allow your younger sister to rule over you. And if that happens, you're done. Let me just tell you. Anything you want to do, you have to act fast. Act fast. Except you want to be in the river and soap will still enter your eye. Agokwalang.
The time has come. The old deity will choose her guardian. And the one she must choose must have a pure heart, enough to carry the weight of this kingdom on her shoulder. Come forward, priestess to be. new guardian, Ifufe, the chosen one.
Priestess. I knew it!
To whom much is given, much is expected. I believe
You planned all this. You knew it would be you. You and your innocent heart. So all these times you were pretending. And all along you knew that the old deity would choose you.
No, Wamiri. I did not. I was even afraid. I was hoping it would be you. Besides, the old deity shows me and it wasn't my fault.
You lie. You have always wanted to be her favorite. To take what was mine. The old deity made a mistake. You are too young and weak. I am the firstborn and the rightful heir. Now let me tell you, the villagers will not respect you.
What was that?
children, I must go now. The spirit world is waiting for me.
Mother, please do not go. We need you here.
I must go, my children. Ifufe, let your heart be your guide. One Mary, do not let bitterness get hold of you. Promise me you will guide and protect your sister. Please. Ifufe, I entrust this kingdom into your hand. Please, guide your people. Guide the kingdom very well.
Honor, 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 honor.
Mother!
Let her go anymore, Mary. It is an insult to your lineage.
But the spirit chose her. And my mother gave her the power.
But there are powers outside. The northern part has magic powers.
Rena, my friend, what can I do? I have nothing.
You have to go there. You have to go there. They will teach you how to take what belongs to you. You have the fire, ability, courage to take and kill whatever that want to stand in your way. I am strongly behind you, Mary. Go. Think very, very well. Yes.
Let's see how good you are. Are you ready? Are you sure? Are you sure? Get a grip of yourself. You're getting weak.
Hey, DK. Your father would have been so proud. Do you remember those stories my grandfather used to tell us at night? How your father Ifufe used to move. You saw the way he was doing the stick. Hey, DK, I'm proud to be your friend.
Our father taught us well. He once said, the strength doesn't just lie in the sword. True strength is soft but never weak. It bends but it never breaks. It speaks in silence and does what fear does not do. So he taught us well.
He still lives in our hearts. He taught us how to protect our people.
We'll honor his name, no matter the cost.
So, I don't know, can I join you?
Join us.
Join us.
Forget
Join
this
us.
thing. I can...
You can what?
My friend, you belong in the kitchen.
DK,
Go and prepare that bushmeat. When we are done, we'll come and join you. Go!
Let's prepare.
Are you ready?
Come, I know you're stronger. Just
Okay,
come.
okay. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
yes. return, I have acquired new powers. Shall we share the duties?
Mary, I am happy to see you. But we can't share this priesthood, sister.
Don't call me sister. This kingdom needs a strong hand.
A strong hand is not a true one. The answer is no.
We shall see. If you can't share these powers, I will take it all.
Mary.
One. Mother's heart is heavy. Pray to the gods to give her more strength, for she is frail.
My brother, I am afraid of all these thugs who are attacking us in our farmland, so please, I'm scared and I don't want to die.
They even killed Amaka the other day in her farmland.
Hey, I heard that news.
Now let's do quick and
Please,
go.
let's be fast.
I'm
please.
scared. I don't want to die.
Don't give me! Don't give me!
Dike, Amara, you two are doing good after the death of your father. About the dogs, what can we do?
Dogs.
What is the problem?
Your reign is filled with danger. The farmlands are no longer safe. Where is the peace you promised? What is the use of a priestess who cannot protect her people? Right before my eyes, the thugs beat my friend to death. They even challenged the authority. Do something, priestess. Live up to your mother's legacy.
I will find solution before the next market day.
Thank you, priestess. Thank you, priestess.
Dike, Amara, I called you too because I need your help. The villagers need your strength. The thugs have invaded our land. They have been killing, stealing, and ravaging. Some battles are not left for the gods to fight. What says you, Dike and Amara, the children of Ebube, the grandchildren of Ubuago, and the great-grandchildren of Ukweale?
Our father taught us to protect our people from danger. Ifufe, we won't fail you.
We will bring these thugs to justice. You can count on us.
Yes. It's a warrior's duty. villagers hate you. They're already asking for a leader with real strength. You are losing control.
The people are afraid, Nwamiri. And that fear comes from the chaos that you have created.
Chaos? No. It's a test. A test that you failed. But don't worry. I am here to finish it. My powers are already taking over. Maybe it's time to show them what real power is. The type your gentle hands cannot get a hold of. How can you do this to me? Are you going to allow that creature to protect you forever? Are you going to allow that creature to fight your battles?
The old deity loyalty is to the spirit, and it chose to protect the right person. Nwamiri, her power is not a weapon to be used for a selfish reason. Nwamiri, you have chosen a different path, and that path will lead you to your early grave.
Then we shall see.
Don't take it kindly with trespassers. Hand over your machete and move away.
It's my farmland though. Sorry, please don't hurt me. Please.
Go and call your savior. Go and call your priestess. We fear no one. Leave him alone. For it's under the protection of the priestess. And you have no right to threaten anybody under the protection of the priestess. A priestess! A little puppy! What will you do, you brat? Back at us! We will kill you both right now! Leave here now! I am not a puppy. Now! And if I ever see you here again, I won't take it lightly with all of you. Leave! Leave! Are you okay?
Yes, thank you. You saved me. You were sent by the spirits. Thank you, warrior.
Truly, thank you.
You are a son of this kingdom.
Yes.
And it's my duty to protect you.
Thank you very much.
So let's move.
The power of the old deity, the mantle of the priestess, it belongs to me, and not to that little weakling. I will take what is mine. No! No! This is not possible. That old woman, her power is stronger than the one I control. Most powerful. We must retreat. Her powers are spiritual barriers that our powers cannot break. No! Never! I will never be defeated. There is another way. A more permanent way.
The warriors have saved us. They have brought back peace to our land.
Praise the spirit and praise our priestess for giving us such strong protectors.
Ezeh.
What happened to me?
Ifufe, he tried escaping, but was caught by our sword.
DK, Ama, I have no words, but I must say that you have restored our hope and you have done more than protecting our people. You have shown that a brave heart can conquer any darkness. You have honored the memory of your father. I'm grateful.
Ifufe, we only did what our father, Ifufe, taught us. We will stand for this kingdom.
And as long as you remain our priestess, Ifufe, we will be your shield.
Take them away and do as you wish.
Move!
Mother is winning. Her resolve is stronger than the darkness she faces. Hope has returned. Keep your heart strong, Ifufe.
blood of the earth and the breath of the void, I seize the sacred light. I will become the priestess. My power will be absolute. No God, no sister, no an old date standing.
This ends now. You are taking this kingdom with your ambition. We will not let you harm our priestess or our people.
Wamiri, this is not who you are. Your mother will be ashamed of you wherever she is. What have you become? Wamiri, your mother would never stand for such darkness. My mother's name means nothing to me. Her honor and your loyalty has kept me in the shadows. Now it is time for me to stand in the light. Since you have decided to side with her, you all will go down with her. I will burn down this village if I have to. You have chosen a side. Now face the consequences. They chose you. You took what rightfully belongs to me. The gods made a mistake. But today, I am going to take back my powers. I am going to end it all.
What is this? 1 minute, what is the meaning of this?
Mother, you returned.
Yes, I returned. I returned with peace. I returned back to my people, only to find my 2 daughters being at each other's neck. What have you become? I ask you to guide your sister, to be her protector, to be her shield. Rather, you became her enemy.
No, Mother. It's not my fault. They chose her. It's my right to rule. And you know it.
Right is not seized by force, my dear. You earn it through humility, service and love. You have not only desecrated our sacred ways, but you have also brought darkness upon the kingdom. You sent talks to your people. Mary, why? There can be no forgiveness for the chaos and calamity you have sown. You must atone. The spirits of our ancestors demand a sacrifice to cleanse the spirit of darkness you have sown. And this you must do.
The war is over. We will no longer fight. I forgive you.
The spiritual war is over. I returned victorious. True battle lies in the hearts of the people. Ifufe's pure heart have saved us all. Now together, we'll make our kingdom bright. We plan for a brighter future. We'll work for the people.
Money go enter your pocket. Enter your pocket. Money go enter your pocket. Enter your pocket.
Yes, so money go enter your pocket if you get phone and you dey post videos for YouTube, TikTok and Facebook. Money supposed to enter your pocket now. Now waiting na forever MCN dey talk, and if you check am, na true. If na monetization you dey find, forever go do am for you. You don monetize but your video no dey fly, forever go make people dey rush your videos anytime you post. We go even make sure say nobody fit to use your videos without your permission. Brand deals nko, we go connect you to better brand wey go pay you to post their products. E never finish o. Forever go give you free hype, music library and oyibo technology wey dem dey call AI to help your videos. Whether you just dey start or you be OG for the game, your hustle must pay o. Oya sharply send us email to marketing@aforever.com. Call or WhatsApp +234 816 992 5722. Visit mbi247.com. Aforever MCN, the home of content creators.